Your little lump.
Did you put your salt and pepper in? Okay. Enough eggs? You want more eggs? You just remember to eat what you take.
Hi, buddy.
Here.
How you like your new haircut, bud?
The ground done?
Okay, that's enough. Remember how to turn it? Hold it over the... No, turn the big part. Turn the big part around.
The big part. Yeah, I thought he'd do that. What I say about grandkids, you could send them home.
Here, turn this around.
All of it?
Yeah, keep turning. Is that enough pepper for you?
There you go. What else, Bug?
I want
This comes out fast. What do you want?
Ranch.
Do you want to try this kind?
Yeah,
You want the red kind?
He walks away.
Take the liar out of me every time.
What, Jasmine?
A little bit we need.
I'm telling you, put the steaks over here, they'll stay warmer.
Put the... No.
Bill.
Lisa, put the garlic things in
I
there.
can't.
What?
Not hold the oven.
Not on the eggs, okay?
When she's here, I can't do it. You should...
What's my first
Mom, why
one
don't
here?
you take her and put her in the high chair?
Emily had it.
Get out of here.
What do you want here? A
Here,
fork?
let me
Okay,
make
there
my
you go.
style and I'll go sit with the kids and share with Emily.
Go. Mom's got your salad. Just go.
Feast. This is
Ow!
a feast.
Mima!
I'm sorry.
Emily kicked me.
You got a fork?
Emily. Little kid.
Yeah, I'll get you.
Goober.
Here, give her this. Jeez. There you go. Boo-boo.
Hi, you lump.
Boo-boo.
I think Blossom fits her too.
Emily.
She looks like a blossom.
Here.
Doesn't she? I think that's a cute
She's
name
so
for her.
sweet. She look, see that makes
Hey,
me think that she's
Belinda.
a sweet, demure little child. We know better.
Blossom.
Yes, that's a better
There
one.
you go. See?
It's on tape forever and ever.
It is not.
I'm
I
recording.
whispered that.
I'll bring this tape
I
off
whispered
and
that.
Yeah, well, we'll
That tape
see.
picks up pretty much.
You better be. You have to erase.
Poor Emily. She'll be 14. You know my grandma.
You love that. She loves welfare cheese.
Welfare cheese.
Welfare cheese
Child.
addict.
Mima,
Yeah.
look at it.
Okay.
Oh, it's all gone. Hey, talk to Uncle Greg and tell him what you think of your haircut.
Huh? Yeah.
Talk to Uncle Greg and tell him what you think of your haircut.
Tell them what kind of
Where's
haircut
Uncle
is it?
Greg?
Well, we're going to show Uncle Greg the film when he go down to Florida. Talk to him. Can't you do it?
No.
What?
Adam.
Tell them what kind of haircut you got.
Hey, no.
Fine,
Well,
good.
why don't you go eat your salad then?
Get
Dad,
that
give
age.
me that.
What?
Oh.
Mom,
This is a hot bacon thing we never cooked bacon for.
Yeah.
the bacon's in the
Still,
dressing.
bacon is better on there.
I tasted the bacon right away in the dressing.
Hey, do you play the piano? Oh, yeah.
Bill, get
No.
her over there and play the piano. Bill.
We all
Oh, he goes over there.
Mima, look at
Play it nice. Play it nice.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, look at she knows she's trying to put that on. Oh, yeah. Hi, Beastie. Thank you, Adam, for the concert.
Take a bow. Take a bow.
Thank you.
Take a bow.
No.
No.
I'm going here.
Emily, go play the piano.
Pepper.
Oh, Emily, play the piano. Oh.
And how
No, she scared herself.
Okay.
Get her up.
Okay.
Oh.
perfect form.
Talk to him.
And you got a long way to go.
The fun is only beginning.
Yeah. Yeah, the fun was 9 months ago. Now comes the work.
Forever.
See you, Grandma. Sorry I couldn't stay and see you.
I hope you have a good
So far,
Grandma?
basically.
Grandma,
Somebody comes in to rob you, say, here's a drawer, take it.
Grandma, Grandma,
I
Yeah.
don't
me
have a
and my
drawer.
mom aren't staying here long.
Are ya?
We're not staying here.
Oh.
We're actually not either. I'm not either.
Oh, I kissed him.
Adam.
Kissed him while he wasn't looking.
Blech.
Here, bye, Daddy.
Hey, that's my house.
And that's your house.
Yep, there's our house.
When it was first Christmas fall.
No.
Come on. Let's go fix them.
Janice and Tom peeked in at
Papa,
Sandy and
Papa,
house.
come on.
They weren't home. They looked through the window.
Papa, come on.
What are you doing?
Bye. See ya. Have a good night.
Yeah, I'll try.
Try to get out early.
Take it easy.
Alright, see y'all. Have fun.
Oh, yeah.
See you later. Do I
Bye.
have my keys?
No.
No, I need my keys.
They're on the pie safe where you left them.
The what?
On the pie safe where you left them. See?
I didn't put those there.
I know, I did.
July?
I'll see you guys.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bring you a pizza later.
Okay.
Couple weeks.
Oh,
2 weeks max. 2 weeks. 14 days.
So that would be the
The fourth?
27th would be a week. And then
So
the 4th,
31
there's
days,
31
right?
days.
what are you talking about?
That's the third then, right?
Yeah.
14 days would be the third. She won't let,
you
they
never
wouldn't let her
know.
go. How long they'd let Joy go if she was late?
Yeah.
I said
Let's
2
see
weeks
this.
max for most doctors.
Is it?
Yeah. Because after 2 weeks you can have complications. They'll usually let you go 2 weeks safely.
Yeah.
And after 2 weeks then they'll do stress tests and that kind of
Yeah,
garbage.
yeah.
But I said, we're looking at the
Oh, the dates?
dates.
What's
And
Scott pick?
he picked the 24th, a girl, 8 pounds, 10 ounces,
Oh.
19 and a half inches long.
Never.
I said a heifer. Hey,
Never.
10.
So mine's 6 pounds, 12 ounces,
Scott.
and 21 inches long.
Never. You're
That's why I
wrong.
said stretch here. Stretch.
I should have put 9 or 18 inches.
I said
19.
a boy on the 27th, 7 pounds, 5 ounces, 19 and 3/4 inches long.
7 pounds, 5 ounces.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh, we got 2 this week.
And boy. And
Only
and we're 3/4 of an inch off on height. On length.
Yeah.
And our dates are different. You got the poor thing going till the 6th of July.
Let's go.
Down in the basement.
Feel big.
Into the workshop. There's the
Nemo,
boy.
look how big this is.
Wow.
Bobby, now it's your turn to bump. Nemo. Supposed to touch this, then bump my
What
head.
stinks down here?
Yeah.
Did you use something? Or?
Use some brush cleaner and
That must be what it is.
That must
Come on, you guys, do something.
let's show
Another spider!
I believe it.
Papa, another spider! What? Up there, see? Here, black thing. See it?
No, that's not a spider.
He thinks anything.
No, right over there. See?
saw in here while Grandma takes your picture.
Yeah.
Use your saw.
Okay.
Animal,
Where should I saw, Mima?
what?
Where should I
Oh,
saw?
here.
Maybe here.
Back and forth.
Watch your knee.
Now watch out, you're gonna cut yourself.
Now look in the camera.
You're cute, little bug.
Ooh, cool, boy. Watch your knee, Buster.
Yeah, be careful, Adam.
I know. Take all these nails out, Papa. Papa, we know we don't need all these nails, right?
Right.
You know who he looks like now with that haircut? Scott.
No.
Yeah, you look like your dad.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't, Mima.
Yeah, you
Mima.
do. Oh!
Yeah, I was afraid of that.
You made me cut myself.
No, I didn't. I knew his knee was too close.
Adam, you must back off.
He
Okay?
didn't hurt nothing.
There's nothing there. There ain't even a
No.
scratch.
It must have just ticked it.
Ticked you.
It must have just a little bit.
Okay.
Can't get your body too close to where you're sawing.
Why?
Because you might.
Hey, Mima.
What?
I'm about to saw this hole.
I think you should.
Papa, I think I should saw this hole.
Yep, saw it right through.
Hey, Papa, where's your birdhouse?
It's upstairs.
No, the other one.
Well, I didn't finish it.
Where is it?
Well, I just got the wood cut.
Why don't you start putting it together? Where's the roof?
Mima, remember that? That's from our old
Yep.
truck.
Daddy
Right.
gave it to Papa, huh?
Our old monster truck.
Yeah.
Monster truck.
Papa, look how...
You can't do that, Adam. You gotta keep sawing.
I did this. A web was on it. Ah! Papa, where's my chair?
It's over here.
Adam.
I need to sit on it when I'm sawing. I hate going down. Whoa.
Yeah. You see that birdhouse Papa's making?
What birdhouse? That birdhouse?
Yeah, it's gonna be a birdhouse.
Is it going to be a little one for the babies?
You have to. Let's cut a hole in here.
So there, Papa, you need 2 pieces of wood and a roof. And
This is the roof.
yeah, and a little door too, Papa.
I know.
We need a little door for it. Papa, can you saw? It's your turn.
He knows you'll get through.
Saw, Papa.
Oh, through. Through the hole. Hey, get out of there. Got it.
Great.
Saw here.
Yeah.
Saw here.
Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa. Like, wait. So I'm all the way down.
Okay, you guys, I'm going upstairs.
Huh?
Okay,
I'm
bye.
going upstairs. Have fun.
Do it all the way.
There's a house, Greg.
Do it all the way down there. Yeah, look at Chucky. What are you doing?
We're from the zoo.
still the same.
Hi.
Duckies. Look at duckies. Did you ever ride on the back of a bike?
Nope.
The ducky? Did you?
Papa.
Look at the ducky, Emily. Look at
Up on the roof?
ducky. Just flew right through your
There's a
tree.
duck on the roof over there. And
See the ducky?
What did you do at the zoo when you had your picnic?
One of these. See all the animals.
Say quack, quack, quack.
Oh.
Right.
What does the kitty say, Emily?
It was on my mommy
On my
and
shoulder.
me and my mom should have.
That could hit her head.
Hey!
Oh boy, Adam, on that motorcycle. He was having a
Oh,
neat
oh.
ride.
You little
Debbie.
Stop.
Silly girl.
No.
Adam.
Oh, and they're poor.
Ooh, Kaka.
I rolled it then. Ah!
Oh.
And when they're screaming.
How big? Can you say how big? How big? Hello. How big? That's some baby stuff, huh?
So big. So big. It's a rabbit.
Emily. Where's your nose? Where's your nose?
Joe,
No, that's your
rabbit.
nose.
Yes,
Alexa.
five,
Where's your
10,
nose?
4, 3, 2,
Where's your
1.
nose?
Blankets.
Ah.
Where's your belly?
Oh, here's your belly. Here's your belly.
Where's your belly?
Here's your belly.
Where's your nose?
Oh!
Where's your nose?
Thank you, Bill.
Watching him.
Where's your nose?
Where's the
Oh, God.
bug?
Where's your nose?
How you doing, Adam?
No, that's your eyes.
Oh.
Silly eyes. Where's your nose?
Dude, tongue's hanging out again.
Oh, there's Dad with his tongue hanging out again.
I want to
Perfect ending for this film.
Emily.
I want to
It says end. That means it's done. I guess.
Means forget
Where's
it.
your nose? That's your
Patrick, can I
eyes.
go on here? Mima,
Where's
can
your
I go
eyes?
on
Where's your eyes?
on right here?
Hold on.
Your berries.